Oh, hey, welcome. Have you ever seen us coming down the road and wondered, how do we stock this thing? Welcome to iloveponds.com van tour. Holding tank for water when we're doing your cleanings. Roll of filter mat. You always have to replace that every spring for your skimmer. Sometimes your biofalls and needs a replacement as well. All of our hoses to go with our clean out pumps. A fish holding tank, power washer to get rid of all that algae off your rocks. Shop vac so we can clean out your vaults and your skimmers and your biofalls. Plenty of nets to catch your goldfish and your koi. But first, we gotta set up this sign. Come on in. Welcome to my van. Leaf blower to get out all the leaves around your feature. We got plenty of lights, so that way we can replace a light anytime we're at your house. All the treatments that you'll need with fish food. Ask us about fish food and treatments when we're there. We can replace all your aquascape pumps. Treatments for maintaining your pond are all right here. Those are the pro grade treatments that are part of your contract that we add every 2 weeks or every month. We have automatic dosing systems that can treat your pond all day, every day. We got the treatments for them. If you want to have one of those installed, just let us know. There's all sorts of other treatments back here. We got everything that we need to fix any problem with your pond. Plenty of fittings to fix pipes if you have a leak. We have stuff to fix holes in your liner, patch repair. This is completely outfitted. We have lake treatments in here, all aquascape products. If you have any questions, just let me know.